Some days are made for a good old-fashioned bowl of chicken and dumpling stew. Gluten-free dumplings are fast and easy because you cook them right in your simmering pot of soup. It is easy. Let me show you how. First, combine 1/4 cup instant potato flakes with 1 cup rice flour. Then add 2 teaspoons baking powder. Now, we keep a pot of parsley in the window because it's fun to add a little color once in a while. Then add 2 tablespoons oil to 3/4 cup milk. Stir it into the flour mixture until the batter resembles very soft biscuit dough. And now it's time to add the dumpling dough into the simmering soup. Drop the dough gently, 1 spoonful at a time, being careful to keep the spoon near the surface of the soup so it won't splash. The dough will begin to cook right away. You can add gluten-free dumplings to any soup, but don't worry if some of the dough seems like it's falling apart when you put it in. It just makes the soup a little creamier. You can tell already this is going to be good. When all of the dough has been placed carefully into the soup, turn the burner down to a slow simmer and put the lid on for about 15 minutes. And that's it. You're done. And so are the dumplings. So go ahead and try some dumplings for your darlings tonight. It's a delicious way to warm their gluten-free hearts.
Don't forget to hit that like or subscribe button. It helps us know how we're doing on our videos.